Today I'll show you how to make a decrease. I'll show you two versions. The first is a regular decrease. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch. You now have two loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through all 3 loops. You've now made a decrease. If you're making amigurumis, it's better to make an invisible decrease to avoid holes. To make an invisible decrease, insert your hook through the front loop only of the next stitch. Now pull the stitch back and insert your hook through the next front loop of the next stitch. You now have 2 front loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through both front loops. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. That's an invisible decrease. Please like and subscribe for more tips and patterns.